How to make edits in CapCut. So your first step is to simply create a new project. So once you've opened up CapCut, just head into media, and then where we have import, go ahead and click on the plus to import, and then simply scroll through till you find the media you'd like to import. Click on it and then click on open. You can as well import a full folder. And once you have created a new project, all you need to do now is just simply drag and drop basically. And now once you drag and drop, you can easily split the media across. Let's say you want to split it through the middle, just go ahead and click on split, and now you have two separate media files. And you could also use the crop tool to simply reduce the video height, or you could just adjust it if you want it larger. And once you're done, just click on confirm and it would be set up as well. Now another edit you can perform is to simply add transitions. So in order to add transitions, all you need to do is simply head over to where we have transitions at the top here, and we have the diamonds on the transitions represent the premium, while we have the free options. So we could simply use you know a free option here when you're exporting, so you could actually export without paying for premium tools. So just click on download here, drag it to the bottom and simply place it. So once you have placed it, just make sure your two files or your two medias are together, and then you can simply drag it and place just in front of the videos. And once it's in front of the videos, you could easily adjust the duration of your transition by either increasing the time limit or reducing the time limit of each transition. Now, you can also have multiple transitions added to different sections of your video, and as usual, you can edit it like so. All right, guys. Now, the next thing you can also do is to add music and sound effects. So, in order to do this, just head over to audio and click on the audio option here. You're going to see music, you're going to see hits, vlogs, funks, marketing, beauty, and a lot more. All you need to do is just simply download and just place it here. So it's just a simple drag and drop and it's done. Now, you may need to pay for some of them as they are, like I said earlier, premium features and premium assets. So you're going to need to have to pay. All right, so besides that, another thing you can do is to simply add text. So you don't need to pay to add text. All you need to do is just simply drag and simply drop your text where you want it. Just make sure it's where the cursor can highlight so you can easily edit the text. So once you've placed it here and the cursor is above it, you're going to see an option to simply edit it, and you could just simply highlight the text you want and just simply enter something like this. Once you have, you can now simply change the font into whatever you want. They have over a lot of fonts here, and you could just simply pick what you want from the free version to the paid versions. Now, once you've entered all of these, you can now easily click on export at the top right corner to simply export what you've done, and you can change the resolution from 1080p to 8K and just simply click on export and it's done. All right.